Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming iCloud and Find My are enabled. That lets the network report location. Once done, open the Find My app and tap Devices, then your Airpods. You should immediately see a last known location on the map. This narrows your search to a building or room. Make sure to stay within Bluetooth range and move slowly so the signal can update. If location is recent, head toward the dot now. Don't sprint, because quick movements can drop the connection. You now focus on precision. If your AirPods appear online, tap Play Sound. This emits a beeping you can track. Once you hear noise, move in short steps and sweep likely areas, between cushions, inside bags, under clothing, because sound can be muffled. If the device is shown offline, watch the Find My app for a status change to online. This happens when they reconnect to any paired device. While you wait, retrace your last known path slowly. That increases chances the AirPods reconnect and reveal themselves. You complete the process by retrieving and testing the AirPods. Play audio and check the charging case light. If only one returns, mark the other as lost in Find My and enable Notify when found so you get alerted. Once recovered, reconnect and, if needed, reset the AirPods to fix pairing quirks. If nothing ever updated or the location stayed blank, try resetting devices and your iCloud settings. If that fails, contact Apple for hardware help. This sequence minimizes future loss and restores normal use quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.